All right, so this time we're going to go around the entire unit circle, talking about sine and cosine for each angle. All right. So remember, cosine is going to be like how far to the right or left it is, and the sine is going to be how far up and down it is. And for these special angles that we're looking at, it's basically multiple choice. It's going to be one of these five. All right, and I just got them in order from least to greatest here. All right. So starting out, we're just going to do the coordinates of that point. So it's to the right 1, and it's up and down 0. So that's like cosine of 0 and sine of 0. If we look at the 30-degree angle, or pi over 6, all right, to the right, it's way over to the right. So that's going to be the root 3 over 2. We're thinking about the x and y values, and it's 1/2 up. You kind of pair up there. So it's just a little bit high, a little bit up. All right, and then if we look at the 45-degree angle right here, these are both right there in the middle. It's the same to the right as it is up and down. So these are both root 2 over 2. Root 2 over 2. And then for our next one, follow that up. This is going to be our 60-degree angle. It's a little bit to the right, which is 1/2. And it's way up high, so it's root 3 over 2. So it's just like the reflection of this one, I guess. And then for this point, it's 0 to the left and right. So cosine of 90 is going to be 0, and then sine is going to be positive 1. All right, let's keep going. If we look right here at the, 90 plus 30, so 120. It's to the left this time. So if we go to the left, the cosine is going to be negative. So it's just to the left a little bit. So we're going to call that negative 1/2. And it's way up high again. So root 3 over 2. There we go. The next one is going to be that 45-degree angle again. So negative root 2 over 2. I hope these are kind of easy. So to the left and up. So x is negative, but y is positive. And then we'll go out here, which is going to be kind of like our 30-degree angle. What is that? Well, it's 180 minus 30, so 150. This one is going to be to the left a whole bunch. So left a whole bunch is going to be root 3 over 2. So it's negative root 3 over 2 and positive 1/2. So it's left a bunch and then up a little. All right, coordinates for this spot, negative 1 comma 0. So to the left 1 whole and then up and down 0. So that means that sine of 180 is 0, but cosine of 180 is negative 1. All right, and we'll keep going here. We could just stop and do the reflections, but we'll keep thinking here. All right, so this time, I don't know why I'm drawing the point. I just need to draw the point. There it is. All right, so the coordinates here, by the way, these are all going to be negative, quadrant 3. All right, it's to the left a bunch, so that's negative root 3 over 2, and it's down a little, so negative 1/2. All right, the 45-degree one, that one's easy. Negative root 2 over 2, negative root 2 over 2. Okay, and then this one, whatever this angle is, let's see here, it's 180 plus 60, so that's 240. This one is to the left, it's to the left a little, so negative 1/2, and down a lot, so negative root 3 over 2. Okie dokie, almost done. All right, this one, 270 or 3 pi over 2. It's left and right 0 and down 1. So cosine of 270 is 0, and sine of 270, or 3 pi over 2, is negative 1. Fourth quadrant, woohoo! So we got a special angle here, we got a special angle here, we got a special angle there. This one, that's the root 2 over 2, the one in the middle. So x is positive, because we're right, and then down, and so y is negative root 2 over 2. Let's see here. For this one, we're to the right a little bit. So the x is going to be a little bit. X is 1/2. Y is down a whole bunch. So negative root 3 over 2. And then for this one, we're to the right a whole bunch. So it's root 3 over 2. And our y value is down just a little. So negative 1/2. There it is. That's the whole unit circle. All right. That's all the cosine and sine values for your unit circle. All right. And I think it's helpful to think about just, oh, it's over a little and then up a lot. And so you know what 60 degrees looks like. All right. Where's mine?